Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live with our afternoon update, guys. Hopefully everybody's doing really well. Guys, we got some really great information for some great news. We got Kathy Wood in the house. She's really bullish. She's going all in. She also has some good comments about Gary Gensler and the regulators. Also, we see this huge golden cross that's forming. This means that are the crypto markets going to go up? Are we going to explode? I think the prices are absolutely going to go up. I think things are going to explode. Also, we're going to talk about, there was recently a Ethereum hack that happened. Ethereum network is hacked. Also, we also talked about the Solana network that's was recently hacked. So what's going on, guys? We got all these hacks going on. We got all this stuff going on. Is the network under attack right now? Is this the Debbie Downer September month and everyone's trying to bring down the prices of cryptocurrency? We got a whole bunch of news. We're going to talk about the golden cross. We're going to talk about Ethereum price. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. And I see, a huge Elliott wave pattern forming for Dogecoin, and I think that Dogecoin is really going to explode soon, and it's just a matter of time. Sure, September is often a very bearish month, but this could be an outlier. This could be something different. You guys need to watch this video to the end, and remember, don't forget to smash the likes. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content, you love this channel. Get the message out for the OG in the house right now. Let's jump into the content without further delay. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes. So it's a great time to be alive. I'm on fire. Woo! Let's get it. Let's jump into the content right now, guys. Let's do it. Don't forget to go back and watch some of my previous videos. If you haven't watched all of them, go back right now. Watch these videos to the end. And remember, watch this video to the end. And then at the end of the video, we're also going to talk about some of the altcoins that you should be looking at now. We're also going to talk about a couple altcoins that I think I'm going to be picking up. You may want to do it. This is not financial advice. And remember, guys, always watch out for nasty scammers in the contest. And don't forget to subscribe, BYB. Do it right now. Subscribe. All right, guys, let's jump into it. So, as you guys can see, that Bitcoin finally has printed a golden cross. Are the bulls now in control? So, I really think that this golden cross has been confirmed. Some people will say, "Oh, it's a nothing burger. Nothing's going to happen." But if we look at the Bitcoin chart right here, you can see that we've had this golden cross. It's been printed right here, and we've seen a huge green candle that's gone up 3.36%. And I told you yesterday that we had this huge diamond pattern forming on the one-day chart. And exactly as I told you, we are going to be breaking out. And right now, Bitcoin is at $47,367, and we're breaking out exactly as I told you we would be doing. And I think this golden cross is also one of the reasons behind it. We also have this diamond pattern, which is hugely bullish, guys. I'm so excited. It's a great time to be alive. So what is a golden cross, guys? What is a golden cross? A golden cross happens when Bitcoin's 50-day moving average goes above its 200-day moving average on the price chart. This last time happened on May 20, 2020, and it looks like we're doing it again, guys. And after we had the golden cross in May 2020, we had a huge impulse to the upside. The other good news for Bitcoin right now is that you can see here that Bitcoin is still above the 20-day moving average. And if we look at on the weekly time frame, we can see that this weekly time frame candle is now turning bullish, guys. And as I said, we're at $47,111. We could be seeing $48,000 absolutely incoming really soon, guys. This is a great time to be alive. Let's jump into some other news right now. We can see that Kathy Wood in the house, our girl from ARK Investment, Kathy Wood, doubles down on $500 Bitcoin, $500,000 Bitcoin prediction discusses crypto regulation. So Kathy is saying that by 2025, she thinks that Bitcoin could be going to $500,000, and that's 10 times from where it is today. She also had some comments. She also made some comments about Gary Gensler and the SEC Commission. Now everybody's talking about Gary, the regulation, what's this going to do for crypto? And I really believe that some regulation is needed, and I don't think that regulation is a bad thing, but too much regulation is a bad thing. We definitely don't want to be going over the top with regulation. So what do you guys think? Smash some likes, smash the comments. Tell me what you think. Do we need some crypto regulation? What do you guys think? So, Kathy is saying that I believe that the price, it will go tenfold from today. Instead of 45K, we can see $500,000 absolutely incoming soon. So Wood also commented on cryptocurrency regulation based on our meeting with state, locals, and federal regulators. He described our working assumption from the beginning was that no regulator wanted to be blamed for preventing the next big technological breakthrough. And that's true. I don't think any regulator wants to be blamed for killing the innovation, for stopping crypto and stopping the markets from moving forward. But what they want is they want to keep the crypto markets fairer, safer for you and me, for Joe Nancy, Joe Public out there. She proceeded by saying she is really happy that the chairman of the SEC, Gary Gensler, understands crypto and understands the merit of Bitcoin in particular. Nonetheless, she also noted that he is a regulator, though he is not a hardcore regulator. So let's see. We just need to see what's happening. You know, we have Yellen the Felon, we have the Angry Granny who are pushing for hardcore regulation. So let's see how Gary plays off, how Gary's going to react to that. Is he going to fall into heavy, huge-handed regulation, or is it just going to be light touch across the crypto markets? All right, guys, so let's say thank you to Kathy Wood in the house. So Polkadot. If you got, I told you guys about a week ago, look at Polkadot, and it might be something worth picking up. And we can see that Polkadot is en route to an all-time high, even after 256% rally. So right now, Polkadot is doing really well, guys, and Polkadot is up, guys. The recent 256% recovery in Polkadot over the last 56 days has nothing been short of spectacular. So we can see that Polkadot is finally breaking out, and I believe that we're going to hit all-time highs, and we could be seeing $60, $70 Polkadot coming in by the end of the year. And Polkadot is a blockchain network designed to support various interconnected applications over parachains, and these parachains are scalable and focused on breaking up transactions into shards and processing them in parallel, similar to what Ethereum 2.0. Now, Ethereum is trying to do the same thing, but Polkadot has done it, and it's much faster. And that's why I think that, you know, Polkadot has a huge integration with DeFi. It's increasing day by day, second by second, you know, and also derivatives data shows a potential all-time high. So I really believe that that Polkadot is going to have an all-time high coming in soon, and we have huge futures open interest. It's gone from 360 million to 685 million in 30 days. So it's a steady and there's steady protocol development. There's new dApps and apps being built on top of the Polkadot chain, and I really believe that Polkadot is ready to take off, similar to what Solana was doing. You know, Solana in the house, you know, was doing really well until it had this attack by the bots, and we're going to talk about that right now. There's been something really strange going on. Ethereum has been attacked, Solana has been attacked, and we see some of the main smart contract networks being attacked. So here's some really breaking news, guys. Unsuccessful attack on Ethereum managed to trick a few nodes, but didn't trick all the nodes. So there was a failed attack, you know, about 10 to 12 hours ago. A failed attack on the Ethereum blockchain that occurred Tuesday. It tricked a couple of the nodes, not all the nodes. And the Ethereum block developer Marcus van der Weyden, the attacker published a chain of roughly 550 blocks, which had invalid proof of works. So because it had invalid proof of works, it was rejected across most of the network. But there was a couple of nodes that got tricked, but there was no Ethereum loss. The Ethereum integrity kept stable, and there was no problem. So the majority of Ethereum nodes rejected the blocks, seeing that proofs of work were invalid. But a small percentage of nodes running Nethermind on Ethereum client switched to the fake versions of the blockchain. So guys, nothing to worry about here. But you know, the other thing that's happening is also we had Solana. Solana price crashes 13% as network outage continues, and this was caused by an attack. There was about 400,000 transactions per second had attacked and flooded the network and tried to do tried to take the network down. So I don't know if this was from the same players or not, but guys, this is really weird, and we've not seen these kind of attacks coordinated like this in a very long time, guys. So this is really breaking news, and I've never seen this kind of coordinated attacks of Ethereum and Solana. Could Polkadot be next? Guys, keep your hats on, keep your eyes open. So also getting back to Gary Gensler, as you guys know, he had a meeting yesterday on the Hill, and there was Elizabeth Warren there. There was, you know, the whole Banking Oversight Committee. So basically, Gary had really nothing prepared. He was talking about, you know, stable coins should be considered securities. I don't agree, because stable coins don't offer any promise of returns. And he's also talking about custodial crypto lending and staking protocols take on all the indices of securities. Gensler tells the block. I don't agree with that. I don't think it's considered that, you know, if you have a deposit in a bank and you're gaining interest, is that a security? I don't think so. So let's see what happens and how this comes out and how it comes to play, guys. So some other news right now is 4 mid-cap altcoins that are surging despite market meltdown. So these are some altcoins that you may want to take a look at. This is not financial advice. So Algorand, it looks like it's ready to pump. Algorand has been doing really well recently. This is something you want to look at. Another project you want to look at is Hendra Hashgraph, also looking pretty bullish, and it's been outperforming the markets even though Bitcoin and markets have been going down. And once again, another one, I always keep talking about Matic. Guys, Polymatic is set to absolutely explode, guys. You definitely want to be taking a look at Polymatic in the house. Guys, definitely take a look at it. Matic is set to explode. I think it's something that you should be looking at seriously. I've got a ton of it. This is not financial advice. You know, out of those projects I just talked about, I would say Matic is definitely a good buy right now. So take that to the bank, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin on the weekly. So Bitcoin on the weekly is still above our 21-day moving average. So that's looking really bullish, guys. And as you guys know, if Bitcoin goes below the 21-day moving average on a weekly time frame, this is very, very bad, very, very bearish. But you can see right now that Bitcoin is still above the 21-day EMA. So this is really looking good. And as I told you about, we had this golden cross and we have the diamond pattern. So this is really bullish. We can see definitely, I believe that Bitcoin is poised to hit 48,000 very soon. And right now we're trading at $47,393. And I think we could see $48,000 coming in by the time the Americas wake up. So this is really bullish. This is really fantastic news, guys. Some other news, I told you about this diamond pattern, and I have you know, some targets. The first target is here. We should be hitting going up to 47,400. We're about to do that, guys. We're about to do that right now. Then we could get a small rejection. Then we could see ourselves going up to 48 and then finally ultimately up to 50. So it looks like it's in play right now. You guys can see here that looks like Bitcoin is doing exactly what I said. We're about to break out, guys. This is really fantastic news. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So if we look at Ethereum in the house right now, Ethereum, as I said, it has broken above the descending triangle right here. The descending triangle, the purple descending line, purple rain line. So we're above that, and right now we're trading at $3,406. So right now we're trying to test this line right here. So hopefully we can get past that, and this line here is around about 34, 32. This is really minor resistance. I think we can get past that. Then our next target is $36 to $3,700, and this is really bullish. I think I think Ethereum is definitely going to break out to the upside really soon, guys. Let's take a look at the gas fees right now for Ethereum. You can see that the gas fees right now for Ethereum are not so bad. It's around about $11 average right now. And then Uniswap is around about $34. So not too bad. Let's take a look at the Ethereum burn right now. So the burn in the house, you can see that the total amount of Ethereum been burned is almost getting pretty close to 300,000 Ethereum have been burned. So that's really good. It's, you know, Ethereum is becoming more deflationary. And once Ethereum 2.0 comes, it's absolutely going to transform Ethereum. And we can see absolutely $10,000 coming in by the end of the year. I'm so bullish. I'm so excited, guys. So let's take a look at Cardano in the house. Cardano is just kind of going sideways, really pretty much a nothing burger, and that's trading at $2.38 right now. Let's take a look at Solana in the house. As you guys know, we had this 13% dump because of the attack on the network. So I'm hoping that in the next couple of days, once the network gets back up to full capacity, we could see ourselves see the price actually, you know, heading up. So right now we've got this huge support for Solana at about $155. So I think we can stay above that even despite this network attack, and hopefully we can still continue to break above this descending the trend line, and hopefully we can see ourselves getting back up to $200 in the next couple of weeks, guys. And Matic in the house, we talked about that. Matic is a really good pickup right now, in my opinion. And right now it's trading at $1.35. And this is looking pretty good right now. And Doge in the house. Doge in the house right now is at 24 cents, and it's moving on up. We're painting another green candle. As you guys can see, we had this huge descending triangle that goes all the way down here, and we had this. We followed the Elliott wave pattern. We went up to target 1. We got rejected at 32, but we went all the way down here, and we got some support at 23 cents. And it looks like my next target is we're going to be bouncing up all the way up to approximately 27 cents, and then we might get rejected, come down to the purple support line, and then we could see ourselves definitely going up to 30 cents, or at least testing 30 cents by the end of September. So that's where I really see Doge going right now. But if Bitcoin starts to break out and we see some momentous movement for Bitcoin, this is going to be really good. So let's jump into the markets right now. Right now we can see that the total market cap is 2.18 trillion, and the 24-hour volume is picking up right now. It's 76.95 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is still at 40.80, guys. And let's take a look at the markets. I'm gonna get my face out of the way. My face in the house. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is trading at 47,170, and that's 47,164, and that's at up 4%, guys. So it looks like over the 7 days we're now in positive territory, so that's really good. And I think this golden cross, this diamond pattern, absolutely is going to be a positive mover for Bitcoin, and we should see all of the altcoins also start to take off. And we can see Ethereum right now is at 3,400, and that's up 2.71%. And the total market, market right now is up around about 3.2% right now, so that's really good. ADA is at $2.39, and ADA is really not doing anything even after this smart contracts upgrade, and that's because we need to still have all those decentralized applications still need to be deployed. We still need to get the throughput on the blockchain volume going uppity up, and it's right now at $2.39, and that's down almost 1%. BNB is at $414, and that's up 3%, so that's really good. XRP, I don't talk about it. And Solana in the house is still down almost 6%. That's because of this network attack, and hopefully we should start to see it moving up again in the next couple of days, guys. And Polkadot in the house is up, guys. We're up almost 5%, and that's at $36.90. Get your words right. And the Doge in the house is at 24 cents, and that's up 1.81%. Let's take a look at some coins that we could be looking at right now. You can start to see everything starting to move up. Everything's starting to move in positive territory. I did tell you guys to get into Matic, days and days ago. Hopefully you guys did that. You guys will be up right now almost 6%, if not more. I talked about Atom's well overpriced. VET, I still think VET is a good pickup right now. You may want to take a look at VET. Too expensive. So you can see that a lot of the altcoins are really moving right now. I did tell you guys to get into Graph yesterday, so take a look at that. So really, I think it's if you guys had gotten into some of the projects I talked to you about 3 or 4 days ago, you guys will be making bank right now. Everything's moving up in the green, so we just have to wait till we have our next downward correction, then we can start buying the dips, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Do it now. Follow my Twitter. I've got almost 2,200 followers, and if you're not getting notifications on YouTube, please follow me. Then you won't miss a beat, guys. Don't forget to subscribe right now. Tell the YouTube algorithm you love this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, BYB. Subscribe, BYB, right now. Do it now. And guys, don't forget to check out all the links in my videos. All the links are in the description. Go down below. This is not financial advice. Check out Zen Music Addict. If you're stressing out, crypto's got you down. Check out Zen Music Addict. Do it right now, guys. And subscribe, BYB, on over there. Do it now. And guys, check out my Patreon. Become a Patreon member. Buy the channel coffee. Remember, all the coffees, all the channel members. Guys, become a channel member. What are you waiting for? Become a channel member. Do it now. And remember, all the channel members, ships, all the coffees, all the patrons, all goes to charity. Check out my merch, guys. Check out my merch. We got hats. We got hoodies. We got t-shirts. Got all such stuff. We also got non-clothing items. Get the muggy mug. I love the muggy mug. You want the muggy mug. Get the backpack and get the pillow, guys. Do it right now. Do it. And one final thing. Don't forget to check out the NFT collection. Pick up the NFTs while Ethereum is still cheap, guys. Do it now. And I just want to say, I love you guys. It's a great day here in Asia. This is the OG. I think I'm on 66 days of lockdown. I just want to say, I'm working for you. I love you guys. Tell me how I'm doing in the comments. Guys, I'm going to bring you all the news, the good vibe, the good crypto vibe. And I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. God bless you all. Spread the love. Spread the joy. And this is Daryl, the crypto OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house. I'll see you in the next one.